This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Mike Branson. There is a surprising amount of living space in this eclectic 3-bedroom, 1-bath cottage. Enter the living room and find a diagonally laid wood floor, a wood-burning freestanding stove, and a floor plan opens to the kitchen, which has granite countertops, solid wood cabinets, and includes a gas range, hood, dishwasher and refrigerator. Appliances are conveyed without warranty, expressed or implied. There is a laundry room up front with good cabinet space, a folding area and washer and dryer connections. The bathroom has cedar walls and countertop, tub shower combo with cultured marble surround and tiled floor. One street bedroom has wood floors and could be used as a 2&D living area. Step down to a tiled floor den, then turn left to a large bedroom with large walk-in closet and built-in dresser and donâ. Overlook the private courtyard with lanai cover. Or, go straight into bedroom number 3, which has a French door that opens to a paver stone patio and backyard. Home is heated and cooled with 3 mini-split units. A nice front deck and a full metal roof complete the picture. Enjoy living in something different. For more information, review the details below or contact Mike Branson at 405-612-5347.